Tsai promised to introduce a new economic model, but recent polls show over 80% of people are not satisfied with Taiwan's economic performance over the past year. In diplomacy, the African island nation of Sao Tome and Principe severed ties with Taiwan last December, bringing the number of states which have diplomatic relations with the island down to 21. Following that, Nigeria ordered Taiwan to move its trade mission out of the capital, Abuja. In late April, Tsai suggested in an interview with Reuters that a second phone call with US President Donald Trump might be possible and that Taiwan was likely to buy an F-35 stealth jet from the United States. Both suggestions were dismissed by Trump a day later. A news website in Taiwan shows that over 43% of the public have little trust in Tsai and that 57% are not happy with her as leader.